What I wish I knew before sweating through summer: fixing your Sequoia's rear AC is easier than you think. No mechanic skills required. Let's break it down together. First, double check that the rear AC is actually turned on. The switch is usually on the back of the center console or up front on the dashboard controls. Next, make sure the rear temperature setting isn't set to off or heat. Sometimes it's just a simple button press. If it still doesn't work, try adjusting the fan speed. No sound or airflow? Check the rear fuse box. Your owner's manual will show you where it is. Look for the AC or blower fuse and see if it's blown. Replacing a fuse is cheap and easy. Still no luck? Listen for any strange noises from the back. Clicking or silence could mean a bad blower motor. You might need a mechanic for that one. Also, check under the back seats for blocked vents. Kids' toys, bags, or pet hair can stop airflow. If the air is weak or warm, your refrigerant might be low. That needs a pro to refill safely. Remember, most rear AC problems are simple fixes you can check yourself. Save money, stay cool, and enjoy the ride. That's it. Quick and easy solutions for your Sequoia's rear AC. Thanks for watching.